uThwala uphewe ngemibuzo mayelana nokuthi imifanekiso ye-CCTV wayehlinzeka muphi ungoti weibhamu ngesikhathi enza uphenyo lwakhe. Uphinde wasolwa ngokuthi wazama ukuba nesandla emphumeleni wokuhlolwa kwesidumbu njengoba avakashela umuntu owayehlola isidumbu ngalesa sikhathi.
The purpose was for you guys to go and influence the outcome. What is your point?
I did not influence anything at the postmortem because I was an observer. I did not comment on what they were doing, on what they were analyzing during the postmortem.
Ubuzwe nangokuthi wayekuthathaphi ukuthi amaphoyisa abadubulela eduze abafundi ababebhikisha kanye noNtumba.
I have interviewed witnesses at the crime scene. I have statements of witnesses and victims who were shot at the crime scene. So, especially the victims that were shot inside the building with injuries. They told me that they were shot right in front of them.
Uphinde wathi abafundi abazange bahlasele amaphoyisa ngaphambi kokuthi amaphoyisa avulele ngenhlamvu.
And they were not attacking the police, and they were not striking, and they were not destroying any building or burning any tires or throwing stones. They did not provoke the police, but they were shot at.
Leli icala liyaqhubeka.